In the journey of healing, there's a natural, almost urgent desire to see progress, to know for certain that we are moving forward. We wake up each morning and take our emotional temperature, searching for signs that the ache has lessened, that the sky inside has brightened. But true, deep healing often begins in the quiet space you create when you gently let go of this need for constant measurement. It deepens when you stop checking every small sign. When a person constantly measures emotional recovery, every difficult day can feel discouraging, like a significant failure or a step backward. This hypervigilance transforms the gentle, winding path of healing into a rigid timeline, where any deviation feels like a verdict. It magnifies the dips and shadows, making them seem more permanent than they are, while obscuring the subtle, foundational shifts happening just beneath the surface of your daily awareness. But many forms of healing happen quietly when attention softens. Imagine your awareness not as a harsh spotlight, interrogating every feeling, but as the soft, diffuse light of a cloudy day, illuminating everything with gentle acceptance. It's in this state of non-judgmental observation that the tightly wound knots of pain can begin to loosen on their own. This is where the real, unseen work takes place, in the background, nurtured by patience. Just like a plant grows better when not disturbed constantly, the heart also heals more naturally when trusted. You don't dig up a seed every day to check if its roots are spreading. You simply provide the right conditions, water, soil, and sunlight, and trust in the life force within it. Your healing asks for the same. Offer yourself compassion. Create moments of peace, and have faith in your own resilient nature to mend. Some improvements become visible only after enough time has passed. One day, you'll find yourself walking through a familiar space and realize the air feels lighter. You'll hear a song that once brought tears, and notice you are simply listening. These moments of recognition arrive not because you were looking for them, but because you gave them the time and space to emerge. Healing grows better under trust than pressure. It is a sacred internal process that cannot be rushed or forced. By placing your hands over your heart, you are not demanding it to heal faster. You are offering it a sanctuary. You are communicating safety, patience, and unwavering support. This gentle presence is far more powerful than any anxious scrutiny. So today, give yourself permission to simply be. Allow your healing space today without constant measuring. Trust that, like the plant growing quietly in the corner, you are also tending to your own roots, gathering strength in ways you may not see yet, but will one day feel profoundly.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily